Today we are going for IV in Coimbatore. So we are from hospital because I
are lost. The real truth is we are lost really. Only problem is it smells a lot here.
I'm actually packing right now. I'm just keeping few clothes and everything because I don't want to carry a lot of things, because I'm a person who always carry a lot of things which I don't even want, and literally I won't even use anything. So I'm also carrying this one. This is a very small mini travel kit where I have my sunscreen and my moisturizer and my toner inside this. So it is very easy to carry. Instead of carrying this big bada bottles, it's better to carry this small thing because we are only going for 2 days. We'll be going on like today is Thursday, we'll be going today night and we'll be coming back on Sunday morning. So there is no point in carrying. But this time I feel like there is only some things to be taken, because right now I'm not taking my camera, no laptop, no nothing, because it's just a 2 days trip and everything will be in bus with me. Packing is done, and for the first time I've packed something very less. I'm not telling I haven't taken everything. I have taken everything, but so yes, I had my breakfast. Not breakfast, dude. Breakfast. Wait, dinner. Okay. And now I'm getting ready. We have to report there by 9 o'clock. And what else? Yeah, that's it. I have to get ready. I'm missing on all of my classes today. I had 2 sessions, and one more thing which I was telling you before was I have been selected as OnePlus Campus Ambassador. Claps for me. Oh my god, that was so crazy because I had around 4-5 rounds and it was so, I mean, I was like, okay, if it is coming, let it come, and I hadn't spoke about that to anyone, and I was happy that I got it. And yeah, I got it, and I'm happy. All because of you guys, because I have a base already. I am leaving right now. As usual, I am late. No, I am not late, guys. I am late in the sense that they have asked me to come by 40, but it's just 45. But it's fine, okay? So yeah, wishing myself a happy journey. Bye. Not even our vendors will be there. My God. अरे नहीं रे, people are having eye infection. आजा. Come on. If you fall, that's it. Ta-da. Hi Shilpa, what's up? Subscribe to Shilpa's channel, yeah. Hit the notification. Let it be. Leave no.
At least for 1 second.
In this bus, guys. Cricket.
At least
Flash. It's gonna pop up right now. Hello guys, back at myself shilpa.sunil.
the
YouTuber. This is my third comeback on this platform. Today
How many comebacks?
Today we are going for IV in Coimbatore. So we are already leaving. It's 9:30. It's 10 o'clock right now. Hope we see you all there in Coimbatore. There's a pop-up opening at Coimbatore Mall. She'll be mentioning it to you. You guys can meet SHILPASUNIL at there. Bye. Bye.
This is last.
Leftover it is. You comes leftover.
Not leftovers. Second, third,
Take it as something that we can vibe with now.
Right now we are inside the bus. It's been more than 1 hour. We are waiting like anything, but still. Maybe.
आ जाओ, वैसे भी ये लोग स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं, एज यूजुअल लेट है. आ जाओ. अभी
Mad यार.
गाना लगा साला.
We came to know now new rule came that it's not in bus? When did this new rule came? Tell us.
Now we can hear something like crickets. Like I'm passed out. I haven't had anything. Don't think like that. We reached and looking at our hotel.
The voice is wonderful.
From 6:30.
Hey you guys, so we reached. Hey you guys, so we reached the hotel. Shut up! Yeah, so right now we reached the hotel and it is really small here. But it's fine, okay. And right now only 4 rooms are available. Let me say something. Everything is small only. So right now we have like 4 rooms for 26 people and we are around 7 people in a room. But the room is fine, but the washroom is chutku putku, which is very small. Every come. So currently we are going to have a breakfast and after that we'll be going for our industry visit, which is in Coimbatore itself. I feel like going for a breakfast and this lady is always running away from all my jobs. I'm really damn sleepy at this point. I just slept for 3 hours. Because you're wearing your specs. Hi.
For having coffee because the other one doesn't have.
Yes, subscribe to Shilpa's channel.
There was a We're going to industry right now. Only problem is it smells a lot here.
Like because that is drainage.
Whatever it is. Go. We are here in our junior place. Already dead, guys. For past half an hour we were standing and my legs are paining like anything. We have again meetings. Band baje.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Now we are going to have lunch. We are going to have lunch right now. We have to walk again.
ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് കഴിക്കാൻ പോലും സമ്മതിക്കുന്നില്ല.
This is Arabian chicken roast and chapati. She's having this and kubus. I had a really good sleep and we are going to our industry right now. I don't know what all disturbances you are getting, but I feel so I'm sleepy again. We have to go there and go to Tirupur market. We are now currently at Tirupur. Yeah. Huh?
We didn't go to Tirupur. We are in Avinashi.
Tirupur is
80 kilometers from here.
Right now we came for market visit. Guys, we are actually not knowing where are we going right now, and we are asked to explore the city, and we are exploring something.
Yeah, without knowing which direction we are actually running to, we are exploring.
Yeah.
And I love how there's nobody accompanying us and we just left on our own like we're dead idiots.
Exactly. Very nice it is.
Tirupur, if you're watching this,
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm seriously telling you, you need to improve your fashion. Sorry, not fashion. Graphics.
We are right now. We are going to buy clothes. Not clothes. Fabric.
This is Kadarpet.
Kadarpet. But 40 rupees में undergarments are. है ना? They went that side, yaar. Aditi, Shruti and all. You walk, okay? We are lost. The real truth is we are lost, really. I really get the glimpse of when we were lost in commercial scene last time.
10 बार घूमे पता है हम
Oh
लोग
God, I was about to cry only.
गोल गोल घूम के वही आ रहे हैं, वो गोल घूम के वही आ रहे हैं.
I don't know where we are going to, I mean right now. Taking us? But Shalu ma'am texted.
Main road towards 2nd Street.
We got an auto right now and we are going there.
Turn left onto National Highway 381.
We are going for having our dinner. And I don't know if I'm audible.
Lingerie brand set.
Her chappal broke.
You're wonderful teacher, ma'am. Love you, ma'am.
We are here for dinner. We are here for dinner at Annapurna.
That one brownie with ice cream. Then cake. Brownie. We're gonna share.
We are here at Annapurna for our dinner. I like this place. Actually, I have came here before.
How much is the brownie?
So it's nice.
Brownie
Maybe
with
less.
ice cream is 140.
So it's almost around not 10 o'clock. It's almost around 11 o'clock, and we just reached back. And actually, my charge got over. That's why I was not around. Okay. So right now we have changed the room and we took a 4-sharing room. And top mein there are party going on, but we have to take a bath right now because it's already late, and also tomorrow morning we have to go. I think we are going to Isha Health Center and also a few other industries. So I was just packing up my bag, and also I am going to wear this one for tomorrow. This one I got from the last Yoga Fest which happened. I hope that before this vlog that vlog will be, vlog will be up. So make sure you're going to watch that. And also, yeah, that's it. And it was a fun day today. We had really good dinner, guys. I love Annapurna, and Coimbatore mein Annapurna is the must you should have. And yes, compared to some other years, the rates are a bit more increased, but the food is really nice. I love their ghee roast and all. So just have it if you haven't had when you're coming to Coimbatore. It's so damn good. And yeah, I'm going to take a bath after this, people.
Nothing is working out.
This is what I'm wearing for the day, and this will be worn till tomorrow morning because we can't come here after that. And I like this. This I bought from my friend's store. I mean, it's nice. Okay, we are going for coffee, and after that, with everyone, we'll be going for our breakfast. We are the only people who are living here right now. I mean, in this country. We are vacating. Face wash? Okay, guys. We are vacating. I'm dead. We have asked for a mini breakfast thali. The breakfast was nice. Right now we are done with our breakfast. We are going to some industry. We are now. Now at Intimate Wear Factory Industry. I don't know so what I have to say afterwards. We are done with the visit right now. We are at this hotel called Sejal. Coming for the first time. How was it, Da? How was it, Ishika? Ish? कैसा है? कैसा है? The food was really nice, but we made a fuss out of that. We are going right now to get fabrics, but I'm not going there. Oh my god, it was so funny, you know. We came to have a lunch or dinner, Okay. We all are tired, guys.
दिक्कत नहीं है, देखो मैं झूठ नहीं बोल रही हूँ, भगवान का दिया सब कुछ है, डरते दारू भी है, भी है। Guys, हम खाना
Food. Yo, and the full
2,000 years later.
Hey you guys, so it's been 2 days after the IV. I just came back from hospital because we all fell sick. My friends were having food poisoning. I didn't have that much, I guess, but still I was very dizzy, fizzy. I don't know whatever the word I want to call it, but dehydrated basically. So yeah. Actually, I don't have any words to explain our IV. I can't call it as a worst because it's not the right word to use. But still, it will be remembered very nicely. Yeah, that's it. And if you haven't watched my previous vlogs, make sure to watch it so that you will be getting a hang of it. So yeah, with this I'm ending this vlog. I can't speak as you can see from my eyes. So yeah, thank you for watching.